Feeling brave, you are more than welcome to stand by the hatches just at the back, but if you do so, we just ask you to be cautious, as we will be working in some narrow conditions, and we'd like to say that you can take all of your body parts home with you. So please make sure you keep your heads, hands and any other limbs firmly inside the boat at all times. And the final word that you wouldn't expect me to actually tell you, please do not get off the boat without permission from the crew. The river we're about to cross is the River Dee, that starts life in Bala Lake and makes its way down through Llangollen to reach the sea by Chester.